Yeah, good day, guys. It's Nefi again. You guys remember I did a video. Was it 2 days or 3 days ago? I funded a wallet with $50, and I was explaining how you guys can take signals that I give in the group. So now let's see. The $50 now, it's $69 already. So that is within 2 days. That is $19 profit. And I gave you guys two signals already, Solana and BNS. I gave you guys two signals, Solana and BNS. We are still on Solana. Yeah, we are still on Solana, me and some other guys. But I gave BNS yesterday. So my main aim of making this video is to teach you guys how to take partial profit and move stop loss to BE. I realize some of you don't know it. So whenever I give a signal and it's already running in profit like this is BNS. It's already running in profit 108%, which is from BNS. This year I've been able to make $10, but it is unrealized profit yet. If I do not take it, it is a profit, but if I don't take it, it's not mine yet. That's just the basic meaning of unrealized. For the Solana trade, this is it here. Oh, this is it, unrealized profit. For the Solana trade, this is it here. I've been able to make $8, but I'm not taking profit yet. I'm waiting for it to hit my stop, my TP. But for BNS in the group, as I said, let's go to the group. In the group already, yeah, this was when I dropped the signal. This was when I dropped the signal for you guys. Yeah, this was when I dropped the signal, and this is it now. So we are in profit, and the way the market is moving, I can see liquidation from 97k to 90k, which is crazy. So I would prefer us to take profit, partial profit. You guys can see. I wanted to give this signal, but I knew the market was gonna do something crazy, but I did not expect it to go liquidated to 90k. So it's midnight here. I just woke up and I'm saying this. It's mad. So back to the group. Coming. Yeah. So now back to the Telegram channel. So when I gave the signal, when I gave the signal, it's running or triggered in profit already. So my main aim of making this video is, whenever I say you guys should take partial profit and move stop loss to break even, which is move SL to BE, this is what you should do. You go to your Bybit. You're in profit already. So if you take the trade at the particular price that I say you should take, so obviously we'll be seeing the same thing. We'll be seeing the same percent, or although it depends on the amount, but we'll be on the same level of profit, but not really the same amount, but depends on the amount you risk on the particular trade. So this is what you do. You come to BNS that I say you should take partial profit and move stop loss to BE. So for you to take partial profit, you move to close by, then you choose market. So once you choose market, you click on it. So the issue here is it's showing you the quantity of BNS you can close. So if I'm closing, I'm taking profit. I want to hold some profit in case the market moves the wrong way, so I won't lose much, or I won't lose anything. but this is just me out of the $11 I've been able to make. So if I choose 100%, that means I'm closing down the whole profit. I want to take my $11 and move away from the market or run away, but I'm not taking the 100% profit. I'm gonna take only 75% for the aim of this video. Normally, normally, if it's left to me, I will leave the trade to run anyway. Stop loss, take profit. I'm okay with anything. But for the aim of this video is just to let you know how to take partial profit and move stop loss to BE. So here I'll be taking 75% profit, partial profit I mean. So I'm clicking here, which is 75. If you guys can read it here, so the expected profit, which means I've been able to make $11, but it is all unrealized profits. It is unrealized because I have not taken the profit yet. So now out of the $11 of unrealized profit, I want to take $8 to make it realized. Like I want to take it away from the market. I want to save it so I won't lose money. So I'll click on confirm. So that is it. If you guys notice, you can see the $11 that was there before has been reduced to $2. So now out of the $11, I've been able to take $8 as my profit. That is taking partial profit. So then I gave two instructions. I said take partial profit and move stop loss to BE. So now the next thing you're going to do is, whenever I say move stop loss to BE, you come to under your take profit and stop loss region here, this side that you can see the cursor. Then you click on it like you want to edit it. So what you can see the interface. What here basically means is that it means the region, like okay, the price I gave you guys for stop loss before, you have to change it to your break even, to your entry price. So which means if you do that, you won't be losing any amount, because Bybit already have a better way they calculate these things for you. I think in other exchanges too they do, but not really like Bybit. So here now you will come to your stop loss price, click on it, then you change it to your entry price. You can just see your entry price here. This is your entry price. So you change it to it, 6572. Voila, you guys can see. So now my expected profit will be $0. This, let me just explain in layman terms. It's just like you are trying to tell Bybit that okay, if the market goes the wrong way, if the market does not move my way anymore, me I've already secured $8 already out of the profits that I've made. I've been able to secure $8 away from the market. So if the trade is still running and it gets to my take profit level that I've given you guys before, so now I will be making $4.6, which is $4.6 additional to the $8 I've made already, which is the total profit to be around $12 like that. But if the market decides to move the wrong way and decide to move away from my analysis or something like that, or it goes bad, I'm going to set another stop loss, which means whenever the market gets to this particular price, close the trade for me. So you closing the trade is like, you setting it like this is like you are telling the market that okay, whenever it gets to my entry point, which was the first price you bought it, so it is just like, in layman terms, it's just like okay, you bought sweet for 10 naira or $10. You bought sweet for $10, then you are selling it back for $10. So you are not losing anything. So that's just the basic explanation for this. You are selling it back again at the price you bought it. So basically, you are not losing anything. So this is what we call risk-free trade. It's like the risk is free. If the market trigger your stop loss, you are not going to lose anything. If it doesn't, it's trigger your take profit, you are going to add more money to the money you've already made. You grab what I'm saying? You are getting more money, to the profit you took your profit already. So it's like I made $8 already. So if the market decides to move to my take profit, then I'll be making additional $4.6, which is unrealized yet. But if the market decides to move the wrong way, I won't be losing anything. This is it. The only money Bybit can deduct from your account will be 0.00 something, which are for fees, which is a lot better. So then after setting it, you click on confirm. That's all. You're done. You will get a notification that order has been successfully submitted. That is all. You are done. It's not really hard. It's just basic stuff. And as I promise you guys, whenever you guys have questions, please do comment on my videos. I will surely make a video for you or give you my contacts and we will talk better. So I'm eager to help in any way. So now, what should we do? I think that's the end of the video. Let me update the guys in the group. I think they are sleeping already. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. This will be the end of the video. See you guys later. I have to stop the video now.